What's up, everyone? So a big question when building a cafe racer is how to relocate a battery, how to adjust the wiring harness. So I'm going to show you guys my setup real quick and what works for this bike, and hopefully it helps you guys with your build, or if you're just interested in learning about it. So let's get right into this. So this is a 2004 GS500 that I converted into, well, in the process of converting into a cafe racer. So I went with a lithium ion battery. The original battery sat right here, the big lead acid one. So I relocated it to sit under the seat with this custom pan. And this is where I'm fitting all my wiring. It's just gonna be under the seat. So we've got the Shorai battery right here. We've got the regulator rectifier. And an important thing for the rectifier is it needs airflow. So I'm hoping that it'll have enough through the inside right here to run across, because there is going to be a small gap between the seat and this lower pan. And yeah, all of my wiring just sits here, screws through the pan. The tail light is going to go right here through the back of the pan. And yeah, it's pretty simple. It works pretty easy for this bike. Other bikes you might have to adjust a few things, but it's really going to depend on the bike how you want to set it up. All right, and lastly, I'll just show you the front end of the wiring harness. So it creeps up through here. These are what powers the spark plugs. So the spark plug wires come down into the engine, and then all the wiring comes through this part of the frame. There's also cable throttles and stuff, but all the wiring comes through here into the back of the headlight. And this just shows the inside of the headlight, where all of the wiring comes together. And then this wiring right here gets clipped through a mount under the triple tree. And then yeah, that's pretty much it. I'll throw on the headlight just to show you guys everything works. So that's my setup for this cafe racer. Everyone's is going to be a little different, but this is the one that works for me. It's pretty simple. It didn't really have to do too much. It's really just stuffing everything right here. But if you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments. If you guys think there's a way to improve mine, let me know, because I would love to hear it. This is my first cafe racer. And if you're interested in seeing the rest of this build, check out some of my other videos. And yeah, let me know what you guys think.